Hey everyone, we've got two important updates to your SundayGrids dashboard that we're excited to take you through. We've always focused on keeping project activity and real-time updates transparent for you. So whenever there was a long-term downtime on site, the dashboard would always flag it with an error card. You could tap through to learn more, and once the issue was solved in a couple of days, you would manually batch the missing credits to your wallet. That worked well for staying informed, but we felt there were things we could still improve, especially when it came to your daily granting of credits. This is exactly what buffer credits are designed to solve. Now, when we know a project's going to be down for a while, like in this case, where one out of two inverters isn't working, we enable buffer credits. Once that's on, your project card updates to show you the expected output for the day, and you can still track the partial generation that's happening. As you can see here, it also displays the credits you're expected to receive for the day, and by the time the sun sets, our system checks how much was actually generated on site versus what was expected. The computer shortfall is then granted to your wallet as buffer credits. You can even check the breakdown, the credits that came from the actual generation and the rest from the buffer. Now let's skip ahead to a couple of days. Once the issue on site is fixed, you'll notice on the project's forecast graph that buffer credits help make sure you still hit your monthly target. And if you want to track these credits later, it's simple. Just head to the credit archive where you can view which months had the buffer applied, in this case July. Additionally, you can also go to the accounts page and download a data sheet where it will show you all the active credits, from bonuses, referrals, and now buffer. The next addition to the dashboard is project notifications. Up until now, most updates about your project were shared through the community channels or over mail. That's not going away, and we'll still continue to post them as before. But now you'll also find all key updates within the project sidebar. In this case, you can see a notification regarding the credits for July, and you can also view older notifications by clicking here. These notifications typically expire in 60 days. However, we've added a pinned section where notifications we think are crucial would always stay visible, even after the others expire. And with that, we wrap up this round of product updates. A big shout out to the design and engineering team who made all of this possible. And of course, thank you all for the patience and kindness you've shown us as we keep building and improving SundayGrids together.